Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust buttons gestures of your Realme Buds Q2s. So to do this, you have to select these earbuds from the application. Then you have to go below for the button settings. And here we can find actions for the left earbud and the right earbud, and also for the both earbuds. And we can find double tap, triple tap, touch and hold. And for example, we can adjust the double tap for the left earbud. So currently when I double tap on the left one, I can play and pause media, but I want to switch it. And for example, I want to wake the voice assistant by double tap on the left earbud. So that's the left one, no, that's the right one, and the left one is right here. So right now when I'm gonna double tap, as you can see, the voice assistant is activated. And that's how we can do this. Hope you like it.